Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you have watched part one, you already know what a holistic progress card is and why it is a game changer in education. And if you have not seen that first part, then make sure to check it out, and it's packed with useful insights of holistic progress card. Today in part 2 we are getting very practical. I'll be showing you how to create a holistic progress card step by step. So grab a notebook or your favorite beverage and let's dive in. So, to start with, the first step is deciding what to include in the progress card, that is, holistic progress card. And remember, a holistic progress card evaluates students beyond academics. That is the key point. Here are some key components that what all the things that will be evaluated. The first one, academic performance. Second, co curricular and extracurricular activities. And then, life skills and values. And of course, social and emotional development. And finally, the feedback from teachers, peer group, and parents, and even the self assessment of the student will be added on. These components ensure that the progress card provides a well rounded picture of the student, and naturally we should think it as a celebration of the students unique journey. Now that you know what to include, let's talk about the format. The design should be visually very appealing and easy to read and student friendly also. And a few ideas I would like to share. Use separate sections for each component, and you need to incorporate visuals for academic performances, and you need to leave space for qualitative feedback like teachers' comments, students' reflection, self assessment, and also parents' feedback. For example, you can also create a digital template using tools like Canva, or stick to a printed version, whatever works best for the school or institution. Or we can just hold on with the CBSE prescribed format also. All right, now here's the crucial part, collecting data. To make this work, actually, teachers and educators need to observe students in different settings: classrooms, playgrounds, assembly time, during group projects, teamwork. And for life skills, teachers should observe the children and how do they handle challenges and solve problems. And for emotional development, teachers should assess their empathy, resilience, and communication skills. And for social skills, focus on teamwork and peer interactions. Now, once the teachers have got the data, it should be organized systematically so it's easy to evaluate and present. Now comes the personal touch, that is the feedback. Teachers can add constructive comments highlighting the student's strengths and suggesting areas for improvement. And let us not forget to involve the students in this progress by encouraging self assessment part and also motivating them to set personal goals. This actually helps them to take ownership of their learning journey and stay motivated. And finally, it is a team effort. This progress card should be shared with the parents and also involve them in discussions about the children's growth. Holistic progress cards are not just about reporting, they are about collaboration. All the stakeholders need to collaborate with each other to get to know about the unique journey of the child. And so, together, you can work on strategies to nurture the child's overall development. Now, actually, like we have got what all the things to be done in the holistic progress card. That's all in part two. And wait for part three. And in part three, we will be looking at real life examples of holistic progress cards prescribed by CBSE and discuss how they are being implemented successfully in schools across the country. So if you like it, click the button, like, share, and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated. And also drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below so that I can get on with it to answer them. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and thank you for watching.